In this video, I'm going to be going over my free creative writing course, and it's only located in Discord. So this Discord is going to be for my creative writing lessons YouTube channel right here. If you go down to the link below, I'm going to have the Discord right there. It says if you guys want a free PDF to go to the Discord, or you can email me and I can always send you the link to the Discord, but it is in the description below. So I want to go into why I am making this free course, because I feel that I wanted to make a course on Udemy. Udemy was one of the best ones to for freelance, for anybody in freelance, right? If you play the guitar and you want to teach people how to play the guitar for beginners, you can make a course on there, make some videos. But I want to build a community, and I want everyone to come to me if they ever like, hey, I have writing problems, or hey, you know, I think I have writer's block, or I'm not sure what else to do. And I want my Discord to be where everybody can come in and try to help each other out. I can help you guys out. You know, if you're ever looking for people to do artwork, I want some artists to come on through as well, so we can build a community for people to publish their books, short stories, screenplays, comic books, right? Get some graphic novels out there. So let's all come together, and we're gonna check out the Discord right now. Okay, so here you can see the Discord. When you first join, unfortunately, I'm trying to still fix it a bit. You know, it's a work in progress, but it'll pop you to this page here where it says welcome. And then I wrote here, hey, feel free to gander around different playlists and free worksheets. So what you'll see is this, you know, and then we have the server rules here, and then from there you can continue. But for the cool part here is I got little slots here that I'm working on right here. So this one says story plot arc. You click it, you go to lesson 1. Bam, right there, big letters, or big words, story plot arc. So this kind of shows you what you're getting into for the first lesson. And what I do is I put what makes a story successful, and it says right here, what is a story plot arc, creative writing lessons for beginners. So with that being said, that's the first course, is watch that intro video that pretty much gives you the elements of what is a story plot arc. Lesson 2 dives deeper into each of these elements. So if you look up here, it shows the exposition. I made 2 videos on it because when I decided to make a free exposition worksheet, I kind of wanted to get this out there so people know that there is a free worksheet, and that was used to be, you know, you email and I'll email you back with the PDF, but now it's all free right here. And which is cool is right here at the bottom it says exposition PDF. So you just click it, it'll take you to download it, and you can get it. Again, here, boom, the next one in this, inciting incident. Again, PDF, again, rising action, climax, falling action, and resolution all have PDFs in it. And then the last one here has kind of like a broader view of story plot arc for your own story, okay? So again, what is a story plot arc? This one kind of takes all the lessons into one here, and this PDF is a story plot arc, and it dives deeper into it. And then what's cool is I have some literary devices here. So like, what is a flashback? This is the video for a flashback, and I use my favorite show, Arrow, and how they use a lot of flashbacks perfectly well throughout the whole thing. And then I put a worksheet here. Foreshadowing, also, Supernatural is probably my all-time #1 favorite TV show. I watched that while writing. Again, foreshadowing PDF is right here. The other ones don't really have PDFs because when you watch the video, it kind of explains what it is, and it has a homework assignment inside of it. Same with imagery, and same with parallelism. And again, all these are here to help you while writing your story. If you have any questions, you can always go down, and I'll show you exactly where in here. Next one is character. This is character development. Here it is. The PDF I got right here, it is kind of just like a person, and it shows like what are your thoughts, what are your feelings, and what are the actions. And because not everybody who thinks something, feels something, will actually say that something or do that something, so the action might be different than what they're thinking. And this is kind of a little worksheet to kind of get into like a character's mindset. Again, free. All this is free. All you gotta do is join the Discord. I do have a few people already here. Story arc, no easy story arc. Again, this kind of explains how to do a story arc, and the homework assignment is in the video as well, and it kind of just says, you know, if you want to do it, you can follow the Harry Potter's no easy story plot arc, story arc. And then I'm working on genre. Again, I am still working on it, so it's a little empty, but I'm still working on stuff here. Again, this is where I'm going to have some of my books here if you guys are interested in purchasing it. I'll have the links in this part. This is more to support me. I'm going to make a section for everybody else too if they want to put their books in there and start a little gathering and everybody can start talking and stuff. Support me. This is just if you guys want to donate to help me keep on making these free worksheets, making these videos, because it does take a lot of time and stuff, and I got to put, time aside to keep creating this content. I want to keep on creating, and I want everybody to tell the story that they want to tell, okay? Next is hire me. I am on Fiverr, so if you ever want to hire me, you can go to my account here, Justin VDM profile for Fiverr. And then last but not least is my Etsy account. This is where I have merchandise, cool writing shirts and stuff like that, as well as if you want me to write stories on there too, you can always buy a story on Etsy. Further down, I have one called Voice. That is going to be for the private lessons. So, boom, private lessons. So if you want private lessons, we have open lessons. I'll just hop in there, and once we start building a community, and I'll just start talking about some tips and tricks to writing a successful story and whatever questions you guys have. And then a watch party so I do have a couple short little skits, and then I do have a short film I made myself, as well as one I made with Lynn Wilson based off her book, Twisted Deception. Support down here is kind of just like help chat, so we can help you guys with any questions you have. But this is the Discord, so this is where you're going to be finding your free creative writing lessons course is right here. And if you guys want more, it is going to be down in the description below. Hello there. So I have 2 kids books out of my 4 kids book series, self-published on Amazon. If you want to check them out, the link will be in the description below. And if you have Kindle Unlimited, you get these books for free. So I really hope I get to see you there in my Discord. Once more, the description is down below. So just click that link and come join the Discord, and I will keep on making more sessions and more videos. Of course, all my videos will be here on YouTube as well. The link for some of the worksheets are only in Discord, so you do have to join. If you don't join, you can hop in there, take a look around, see if you like it. I am going to continue at least trying to make a PDF worksheet at least once a week, one worksheet a week, let's say for now. Again, I have 2 jobs, so I'm trying to work on all this stuff, and I just want to keep changing the world for the better. Let people write their ideas out, put their thoughts out there, share their story in their own words, whether it's fiction or nonfiction, poetry, screenplay, whatever they want to do with it. I want you guys to feel comfortable, confident, and feel value, and let your feelings feel validated here in my Discord. So once more, thank you guys for watching this video. I hope this was helpful in trying to get some free PDFs, free worksheets, and I will see you guys in my next video, which is on the side of me over here. I got a playlist, and as well right above me, if you haven't subscribed already, please hit that subscribe button. Thank you guys. May the force be with you always.